In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Grok chat history step by step for the year 2025. Now, I know it might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google homepage. Once you're there, move to the search bar and type in Grok. What we're doing here is finding the official Grok website, which is where you can manage your account settings, among other things. Once the search results load, you should see a link for the Grok website. Click on that link. This will take you to the home page of the Grok platform. It's always a good habit to ensure you're on the correct website by checking the URL to avoid any potential phishing sites. On the Grok homepage, your next step is to locate your profile icon. You'll typically find this icon on the lower left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up your user menu, giving you access to various account settings and preferences. From the user menu, you'll want to find and click on the Settings option. Once you're in the settings, you should see a variety of tabs or sections that deal with different aspects of your account. What we're looking for is something related to data control or privacy settings. So, next up, click on Data Controls. This section is designed to help you manage your data on Grok, and from here, we can proceed to delete your chat history. Within the data controls, you'll see an option or button that says Delete All Conversations. Click on the Delete button associated with this option. Now keep in mind that this action is usually irreversible, which means once your conversations are deleted, you won't be able to retrieve them. So, make sure you're sure about this step. After clicking Delete, a confirmation prompt will likely pop up, asking, "Are you sure?" This step is crucial because it acts as a final warning to ensure you've thought through the consequences of deleting your chat history. Go ahead and click Yes or Confirm if you're absolutely certain. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Grok chat history. It's always a good practice to regularly review and manage your data, ensuring your online interactions align with your privacy preferences. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.